everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into work report and by the end you will have all the insights you need to see the usage of the work report in Bitrix24. So grab a seat, hit that like button and let's get started. Work report is the document containing information about the employer's work and made the certain time period. So how can you see the work report in the Bitrix24? For that, you just need to go to the company structure. In times and reports, you will see option of the work reports. Click the setting button in the upper right corner of this particular work report. In the gear, you can see the employer department and the sub department for this reporting system. When you click on this icon, you will select the reporting period for the daily, weekly, monthly or report is not required. There are multiple options over there, so you can select that option and you can also specify the day and the time for that particular reporting setting for the particular employees. So as you can see over here in this particular work report, we will see two of the reports which is appear over here in the yellow color. So there are four different colors. So accordingly the reports will be shown over here. First one is the gray, that is the report is not confirmed. Second one is the yellow, that is the report is confirmed without scoring. And two options, that is one is green and one is red. Green means scored report is positive and red means scored report is negative. So also you can see the reports over here with the help of this filter button. So you can see that reports with the help of this filter according to the particular company structure. So this is how the work reports works in the Bitrix24. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below and I will see you in the next one.